Enchanting tree frog species, a kaleidoscope of nature's beauty. In the hidden corners of lush rainforests and vibrant habitats around the world, tree frogs grace the landscape with their exquisite beauty. These tiny amphibians, with their radiant colors and unique patterns, are captivating wonders of nature. Welcome to the mesmerizing world of tree frogs, where vibrant colors and intricate patterns come together to create a kaleidoscope of nature's beauty. In this video, we will embark on a captivating journey to explore the 10 most beautiful tree frog species from around the globe. From the vivid blue poison dart frog to the intricate patterns of the Harlequin tree frog, prepare to be amazed by the breathtaking beauty of these tiny wonders. So, grab your binoculars and join us on this enchanting adventure as we immerse ourselves in the world of the most beautiful tree frog species. Let's celebrate the wonders of nature together. Red-eyed tree frog, Agalichnus Kaleidoscope. The red-eyed tree frog, native to the rainforests of Central America, is a true icon among tree frogs. Its large, bulging, ruby red eyes are its most prominent feature, set against a vibrant green body. When resting, the frog's eyes are closed, revealing its leaf-like appearance to blend seamlessly with its surroundings. However, when disturbed, it suddenly opens its eyes, revealing a striking contrast of colors, a defense mechanism that startles predators and captivates onlookers. 2. Blue poison dart frog, Dendrobates azureus. Endemic to the tropical rainforests of Suriname and Brazil, the blue poison dart frog is a sight to behold. Its vibrant azure blue skin, adorned with contrasting black markings, creates a visual masterpiece. The striking colors serve as a warning to potential predators about the frog's toxicity, making it a prime example of nature's brilliance in combining beauty with survival strategies. 3. Harlequin tree frog, Rainforest perdalis. Dwelling in the dense rainforests of Southeast Asia, the Harlequin tree frog is a living artwork. Its skin is adorned with a mesmerizing tapestry of colors, including vibrant greens, yellows, oranges, and blues. This intricate pattern, resembling a Harlequin costume, sets it apart as one of the most visually stunning tree frog species in existence. 4. Yellow-banded poison dart frog, Dendrobates leucomelas. Hailing from the tropical rainforests of Venezuela, Brazil, and Colombia, the yellow-banded poison dart frog boasts a striking contrast of bright yellow or orange skin adorned with bold black bands encircling its body. This captivating coloration serves as a warning of its potent skin toxins, making it an alluring yet dangerous beauty. 5. Clown tree frog, Dendropsophis leucophyllatus. The vibrant clown tree frog, also known as the Malayan horned tree frog, can be found in South and Central America. Its lime green body, patterned with splashes of blue, red, and yellow, creates a stunning visual display. As an additional feature, males possess a horn-like projection above their eyes, adding a touch of uniqueness to their already dazzling appearance. 6. Splendid leaf frog, Agalichnus morellati. As its name suggests, the splendid leaf frog, native to Mexico and Central America, displays a splendid array of colors. Its lime green body is adorned with brilliant blue and yellow stripes, while its feet boast a striking orange hue. The combination of these colors makes it a true gem among tree frogs, reflecting the vivid biodiversity of its habitat. Seven, Amazon milk frog, Trachycephalus resinifictrix. Native to the Amazon rainforest, the Amazon milk frog is a stunning amphibian with an extraordinary pattern. Its body is primarily green, overlaid with intricate patterns of blue-black marbling. This unique combination of colors and patterns makes it one of the most visually striking tree frogs in its range. Eight, green tree frog, Litoria caerulea. The green tree frog, found in Australia and New Guinea, is an elegant beauty with its bright emerald green skin. Its large, expressive eyes add to its charm, and the vivid coloration stands out against the dark foliage of its habitat, making it a favorite subject for nature photographers. 9. Strawberry poison dart frog, Oophagia pumilio. Dwelling in the rainforests of Central America, the strawberry poison dart frog is a delightful sight to behold. Its vibrant red skin, speckled with blue or black spots, resembles a ripe strawberry. This striking appearance is a potent warning of its toxicity, a natural defense against predators. Ten, waxy monkey tree frog, Philomedusa sauvagea. Native to South America, the waxy monkey tree frog is a unique beauty with a waxy appearance. Its bright green skin, adorned with black and white markings, resembles the vibrant hues of a tropical paradise. Its endearing appearance and enchanting behavior have made it a favorite among amphibian enthusiasts. The world of tree frogs is a treasure trove of natural artistry, showcasing the extraordinary diversity and beauty that Mother Nature has to offer. From the mesmerizing red-eyed tree frog to the dazzling waxy monkey tree frog, each species reveals its own unique charm and allure, leaving observers spellbound. These enchanting creatures serve as a reminder of the delicate balance and remarkable beauty found in our natural world, urging us to cherish and protect their habitats for generations to come. Thank you for embarking on this incredible journey with us. We hope you enjoyed the beauty of these stunning tree frog species and gained a newfound appreciation for the wonders of our natural world. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more captivating nature adventures like this one. And as always, let's continue to cherish and protect the breathtaking diversity of life that surrounds us. Until next time, keep exploring, keep appreciating, and keep falling in love with the incredible world of nature.